Hello everyone, welcome to another short video with me, Melanie Jacob. Thank you, Livlo, stop subscribe, finish the YouTube channel, Yumi. Suppose you want to subscribe to the YouTube channel, Yumi, please click the one subscription button below. More got a notification bell, you click them, you start caramel updates, like anytime you start put more one video come out. Now you install one pandemic, we start full lockdown, blow nation, Yumi, money require Yumi, we encourage Yumi with them on small something we start helping Emia. Full of time, we go to social media, we go fast load post where you make Yumi depressed, or you make Yumi no sabe, you feel you stuck in one place, but we want the company encourage Yumi with them some tingting, we give him Yumi, we make him see me look further, all challenges we must facing, we look at opportunities we must have casting from. They me engage with me or negative thoughts all time. We look at social media, we look all negative posts everywhere. We have make a women or continue with them one way we supposed to begin play help them all families play around you. So when you go through nidim bring me got one positive mindset, more positive or every something we must make them right. So, we going to today block give him out to me 6 flat tips where this are helping me still making money throughout this pandemic. So small all tips about requiring me block at all skills no what one resources we make at. So today when we go through what you mean, suppose you click the subscription button yet, please click the subscription button below. We must at all updates, so when we must put the model page, email please. So, 6 money earning tips where you have use low one skills where you got or limited resources where you got. First one, cut on small seedlings or seeds, or vegetables, can make them seedlings, grow them seedlings. These have a salam around friends or neighbors caramel seedlings, vegetable seedlings. People probably needing planting now, full up what they call spaces where you making backyard gardening, whereby some people needing money, making seeds, some seeds growing, seedlings growing, while you go PM nomo, while you come transplant them, you go backyard, some backyard gardening. That's number 1. Cut them seeds, make them prepare them seedlings after you make them grow after you sell them. Number 2, start a cleaning business. You start one time where offices only close, full of offices only got all compound where you need to cut cleaning, by man body nomo go back work for some time, or man will install a house no more you need to money clean up small around the house. You got some resources for cleaning around you, grass cutter or one group of women where you guys go together to make a cleaning business. You got skills for clean up, make them cleaning, go together, come together, form one cleaning business. Of course, but you must go through all safety measures from them where you want them make one business. You must have it too. Say, but you must cut safety measures, side health more. Protection blue side providers, so they make a cleaning business blue. You make sure you follow more cleaning protocols. More you ask them help one money help you put them more rules blue. The side contact blue. Number 3, digital advertising. Where you cut skills plus side making more content, creating more content where they're attractive. Making one funny clip or making one very attractive content where you pull in people you can watch them one more content where you create them or making more flyers or something else. Use Emia, you have tap into business. You make them say you start advertising one where you got, you make money out there. Full of businesses now, you start normal house, nobody needing cut advertisement. So this have been using you where you got skills for content creation, you make a more small advertisement where you go straight with any business blog attention you come to business blog. Number 4, security card. Naya we stap lo one lockdown period ikatol curfew. Well curfew minister iputum lo full country. Paikatol people will take advantage of the situation while criminal activities will come up. They suppose you got one tingting law. You create one security guard business, or you start looks mean that skills plus security look after property one man nomo look after property one man also. You saw make one business play to full up man by the nidim especially where Yumi Mr. Places where people will have easily cut off criminal activities but you have use service for you keeping more property time secured and yes, security card and one potential. Number 5, delivery business. You got one car where you stop, you stop no more like one own personal car. You may want them. You look full of money. You stop run for all goods in grocery shopping or karamkakalo market. Not nidim on delivery service. You have use on car. You make one delivery service. Full of money, but like to walk around to master from all you know want them. Catching virus, you have use on car. You make one delivery service and you earn small money out there. Finally, number 6. You got full of Yumi or sample Yumi, you got a crown where you minister use you got vacant pieces of land, plot of land. Suppose you got one vacant plot of land where you got good flat soil and top soil. You have a separate one small piece portion of land. You start money. Sorry, not crown land. You make money. Top soil is have a salon. People were interested. You make backyard gardening. Or is have a bear. So, with the multiple, I hope me helpem you please have a look, say, still the same place, no, you have a look outside the box. Think outside the box, Luana, where you start making finish naya, most suppose me pandemic, me lockdown, me cause you, proceed, business, look around, maybe sixfala something, no, we have mentioned, you look around you, one of skills where you got, one of resources around you, use them, blow you have continue your life, you wait, blow. Once something work, you may wait, maybe it depends on the government. You can make one something, start doing something that you can do out of the resources and the skills that you have. But Mekem say, you have a get by. One more note, no more finishing off video of me today. Use social media where you start helpem. You engage every time. You start look all negative post or something. Use social media platform. You advertising business, whatever way you want them to make them learn. And you may be mindful and be very careful that you may stop conducting small business you may too from say you may not want them so you get caught up in the virus or you get caught up in all this Omicron stuff. So safety being paramount, follow health protocols and every something where we start keeping you safe. Thank you for watching video. I hope small video and helpful. Time. Sorry the background noise. I'm recording this from home. You may run Mr. Isolation and working from home. So apologies, suppose you look at background noise, you have more background noise, low background Yumi. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time. Tata everyone.